Benefit sent me a couple of items. I've got one of their new Tickle highlighters. I've got a brow microfilling pen, and then their setting spray. So let's try them out. I don't know if it's because it's like my birthday month or my birthday's coming up. It's Libra season, but I'm just in such a good mood, and I feel like just everything in my life is so in line these days, and just feeling like just so grateful. So cheers to that. The color is looking nice. This is the medium brown. I don't want my brows to be too dark, especially with the light hair color now. Okay, that's filling in nice and like a really natural finish, which is what I want, like nothing too heavy-handed. It'll be like a good everyday brow item, or like those days when you want to do just like very minimal makeup but still have them slightly filled in. Comb after product too to make sure it's all set. I don't know what's going on here. That needs to go away because it's my birthday party this weekend and I can't have that here. This is the Tickle. It's like a pink opalescent highlighter. This looks so pretty. I always do a blush and highlight. Oh my goodness, can you guys see that? Wow, that is so stinking pretty. Hiccup. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so like out of this world. Okay, now for the setting spray. I mean, obviously I haven't done too much to my makeup yet, but I like doing setting spray in between while I'm like setting stuff. Like after I've done my foundation and like highlight and blush, usually I'll get next is gonna be the setting spray. I like to do it kind of in between my makeup and then again at the end. So we're gonna do a couple on the in between. I gotta say, the misting on it is so nice and thin. I hate when it's like a big spray in your face and then it makes everything all messy. Like that is a nice fine mist, and it looks like it's giving a nice dewy finish, which is what I'm after. So very lightweight and like micro fine. That's it, like set. Giving like a very glowy look. Manifest mascara is so nice. I have lashes on the top, so I'll just do a little on my bottom lashes. It just defines it nicely with no chunks, and when you're doing it up top, it gives it this really beautiful volume. Benefit slays it again. Gorgeous products, and like for just doing a couple little minimal products, I feel like I look way more awake and just with a few things. Thank you, Benefit. Bye.